On a late night in Tampa, Florida, officers responded to reports of a driver traveling the wrong way on Interstate 4.
Pit.
Body camera footage shows the moments police finally stop the vehicle and confront the driver.
Come out. You almost hit the hell out of me.
No, I know. The fucking... No, they're so good.
Relax. Face the car.
Come on. Never hit me in my life.
What happened?
The circle of the car. Like whenever I tried to like...
The circle of the car?
No, like whenever I tried to...
10:15 one time, you can clear the area. Can you let 680 know about this and have him 51?
It was not working. Like genuinely. No, my trip car... The car was not working on the other side.
Ticket to the, hey Baker, can you block this next lane next to us?
I am so sorry. My car was not flipping to the other side whenever I flipped the car. Whenever I flipped the entire like engine, the whole engine would not, like the whole thing would not stop. It would not stop.
Okay.
It was like one breaker. At least.
Do you realize that you're going the wrong way on the interstate?
On this interstate?
Yeah, do you see all these lights coming towards us? Look straight ahead.
No, I do.
Right.
Babe, I do.
So you're going the wrong way on the interstate.
No.
Yes, you were.
This one?
That's why I wrecked you.
This car?
Yes.
This car?
You were going the wrong way.
I'm so sorry. That has never happened to me in my life. We have ever been out on this road on one easy street. This has never happened to us. I'm so sorry. I'm generally, yeah. I'm so sorry.
Wash your hands.
I had no idea with this specific area.
Yeah.
Here, come right over here. We're gonna go against this wall. So, where are you coming from?
I've been there for like a good hour and a half. I was talking to this girl that I've only been there for like one time. Sorry, I'm getting emotional now because like it's crazy. I feel so bad for her and everybody else, but like.
Okay, so
My husband's driving me home. It's just really.
what do you mean? You were driving home?
No, he's driving us home.
You were just driving.
No. I was driving. I was like I was in the passenger seat.
Hey, is there anyone else in that car?
No, yeah.
Yeah, there's no one else in the car.
No, okay, maybe not that specific clear, but there was like me and my husband were in one car. We are not in that clearing car. We are all the way down there. He's driving us home. We are like saving at one bar for me to just talk to him, and then we're going to the Spooky Sea where we were. Okay. All right. What are we thinking? What do you want to do with me tonight? Be honest.
Let me ask you a question. How many drinks have you had tonight?
And I met a couple friends in the bar, and they just like, I'm sorry. And I'm not trying to be that person, but like.
Where'd you get the wristband from? Where'd you get the wristband?
Oh, that's a Spooky Sea, like right here.
Okay.
But I went around the corner to get cash from the castle.
Okay.
And that's where I'm with my friends, where I'm like.
So you didn't realize that you were driving the wrong way on the interstate?
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You were driving the wrong way on the interstate.
No, like.
And you wouldn't stop. I was in front of you with my emergency lights on. You didn't stop. I had to turn around and we had to wreck you to get you to stop.
Right here?
Yes, that's why.
On this road, right here?
Yes. You didn't realize you were going the wrong way? All like the headlights coming at you weren't like a sign?
I saw the headlight. I will say that I saw lights, and the fact that lights like woke me up.
On the
I was
interstate, it's not good, yeah.
I know, and I know.
Okay.
But do you want me to? Do you want to give me a ticket? I will pay it. I will give you.
I got you. So real quick, as part of field sobriety.
And I understand, and I understand the whole field sobriety. I understand. I'm sorry.
So as part of field.
I understand the whole field sobriety. I understand the people behind me, behind the people that started this, behind all of it, and I get it. If you want me to do that, I will do that.
Okay.
But
as part of field sobriety.
Give me like half a second, not even a full second, like just take a second to like catch my breath, you know.
Okay, so as part of field sobriety, I'd like to check your eyes, okay?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, turn face me. I just don't want the interstate to bother you. So with your feet together and then your hands by your side touching your thighs, you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear glasses, but I don't have them with me right now.
Yeah. No contacts?
I'm not driving home, so I don't have my glasses with me.
Okay.
That's all I can say is he has my glasses. I don't have.
Okay. Do you see a doctor?
I normally do wear glasses. Yeah.
Okay. Do you see a doctor for anything or have any medical issues?
At least glasses and anxiety.
Okay. Do you take any prescription medication?
I don't take it. I should be, but I don't.
Okay. But you don't actively take anything? Okay. You have any injuries, disabilities? Okay. Okay, so with your feet together and then your hands by your side touching your thighs, you see a tip of my pen? Oh, what color is it?
It's red.
Yep. So what I want you to do is I'm going to move it back and forth several times. I want you to follow it with your eyes without moving your head, okay? Okay? Just keep following that red light for me.
Sorry.
Good boy. Right there, red light.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so the next exercise we do, it's a walk and turn. Here, come on
I'm
right
so
over.
sorry.
Come
By
on
the
right over
way,
here for me.
can I explain to you as quick as
Sure, go ahead.
I'm so sorry to you.
It's okay. So,
It's not
here.
about them, but I feel so sorry
Watch
to you.
your step, watch your step.
Because I already knew that you were
Here.
better than them. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, so see this straight yellow line right here? That's what we're gonna use, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put you in a starting position, and then I'll explain the whole exercise. I'll even demonstrate it, and then I'll ask you if you have any questions, okay? So, are you comfortable walking?
Okay, take a deep breath, okay? Take a deep breath.
Okay, are you comfortable walking in those boots?
I'm just really upset. It just sucks.
I got you. 66.
I'm a grown adult from Plant City High School. Like, I can't.
I got you. Are you comfortable walking in those boots? Okay. So I want you to put your left foot on that yellow line. Then your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Yeah, and hands by your side, touching your thighs. Yep, so I want you to stand just like that, and I want you to move or begin until I tell you to start, okay? So, when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this line. Then you'll do a turn. I'll show you how to do it. And then you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. The whole time, you're going to be looking at your feet. You count each step out loud, keeping your hands by your side. And when you start walking, you don't stop till you're done. So, I'll demonstrate it for you. So when I tell you to begin, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth till you reach 9. Once you reach 9, you keep this front foot planted. Your back foot comes off the line, and with a series of small steps, you turn around and take 9 steps the exact same way. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth till you reach 9. Okay, do you have any questions about it? Okay, well, if you don't have any questions and you understand the instructions, you can begin whenever you're ready. 6 to 6 foot vertical. Hands by your side. Done? Okay. Here, come like right back over here for me. Like right back where that red line. Okay. Yeah, you tell me. You just tell me when you're done.
I feel like half line. I can't go.
Okay, no, if you're done here, come right over here. No, like right back to where we were.
Yeah, I just swear I was.
Okay.
No, I can't drive. I know I can drive us to where we were.
Okay, here, come like right back over here for me. So the next exercise we do, it's a one-leg stand. So, yeah, so feet together, hands by your side.
Can I wait until we're ready for the jig?
What's
or
that?
do I have to figure it out now?
Well, no, I'll explain the whole thing.
Just tell me when you're
I'll
ready.
demonstrate it, and then I'll ask you if you have any questions, okay?
That would be great.
So I tell you to begin, you're going to pick a foot, doesn't matter which one, your right foot or your left foot, and you're going to raise it about 6 inches off the ground. It's like the head of a Coke can.
Yeah.
You're going to keep your you're going to keep your foot parallel to the ground, so your toes not pointed down, not pointed up, it's parallel to the ground. You're going to keep both legs straight, your hands by your side, and you're going to look at whichever foot you have raised. You're going to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. So I'll demonstrate it for you. When I tell you to begin, you're going to go 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Both legs straight, hands by your side. Your foot's parallel to the ground, so your toes not pointing down, not pointed up, it's parallel to the ground, and then looking at your foot. Well, don't start yet.
Okay, no, I don't know.
You make questions about it?
No, I just wanted to understand. Yeah.
I gotcha. Okay, well, if you don't make questions, you understand the instructions. Yep.
Tell me when you're ready.
You can begin whenever you're ready. Yep. Feet done. Hands by your side. And looking at your foot. Counting out loud. Hands by your sides, touching your thighs. Hands touching your thighs. All right, you can stop. Yep, so go back to that starting position for me. Real quick, I'll kind of explain what's going on.
Yeah, okay. You're 100% okay. I get it.
682 1015 one time. Okay, so you are being placed under arrest for DUI. Alright, I'm gonna go right over here to the back of my car. No, just 1 1015, signal 1.
Do you have anything that's on you that's got a hook, stabbing, drugs?
You're okay though, right?
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
So long as I know that.
Will this fall down if this comes off?
Oh, you leave it on.
You leave it on? Okay,
No,
okay.
it should be okay.
Okay. Do you have anything in your bottoms
Nothing.
that I can't get to?
Pockets, nothing.
What about your boots?
No, not even my pocket.
Okay.
Well,
I have nothing on.
okay, you're good.
Yeah, I have nothing.
Well,
You guys can tell Stephen Torres to message me at the patients, or he's who I live with.
I got you here.
He's the only person who can talk to me.
Here, come over
Well,
here.
if it will open, yeah. I see right here, it's what you had. Okay, so listen, when we do get to the jail, I'm going to ask you to provide a sample of your breath, okay?
My breath.
Yeah, I'm asking you to do a breath test, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Nothing.
Police say the driver's blood alcohol level measured over twice the legal limit.
For all of us. Because I'm about to hit this shit like it's my fucking job. I need you to unhand us.
I will hang on.
Do whatever you want to do. I will go to jail and get out. Whatever we're allowed to do.
Okay, here come. I just. No, walk right there.
She was arrested and charged with DUI and fleeing from police. Thankfully, officers were able to stop the vehicle before anyone was hurt. If you enjoy real police body cam footage and breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments.